Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Oliveboard. This is Aditya. Sorry for a little delay in this video, but I was expecting from myself that I should go in front of you with this video with a proper strategy so you can get a clear idea. Okay, these are the topics we should prefer for the particularly upcoming examination of RRB PO in Clerk, including IBPS Clerk. Same strategy you can implement in the IBPS Clerk examination also. थोड़ा सा आपको month wise change करना पड़ेगा. Remaining topics are going to be same. So RRB PO examination 2024, what are the important topic we should cover? And 25 plus, how we can target in the examination? Is it okay to target 40 out of 40 in the exam? How to score 25 plus? Each and everything I'll answer in this particular small video. So be there in this session till end of the video. First of all, you need to analyze the examination date and question paper of last year. What I have done, I have already done it for you. So last year, your examination was conducted on 10th of September. So the exam date was 10th of September 2023. I'm talking about RRB PO Mains examination. This was the exam date for RRB PO Mains. Okay. RRB PO Mains examination. This was the date. Maximum question around, in your examination, around 60 to 65% questions in your examinations were from the current affairs of June and July. Means it was the most important. These 2 months were the most important months. Those who had the maximum weightage of the current affairs in your examination last year. After that, we had the questions from April, May also. There were around three questions from April, from the month of May. After that, few questions were there from August, and in the last one or two questions came from February and March also. So now, if you have not started yet, for this year, if you have not started the current affairs, I would not suggest you to run into this February and March wala current affairs. You can skip it completely because that weightage is very, very small. 2 to 3 questions around from the 2-month current affairs. If you are running behind that, you will be out of the race. You need to target on the major area from where you are going to get the maximum number of questions. Like last year, June and July were the most important months. Around 60% of current affairs or the questions in your examination out of 40 came from June and July. Okay, so this year also what you need to do, this year your examination date is on 29th of September, right? So 29th of September, it means August month is also going to be an important month this time. August is going to be an important month this time. Even 1st to 20th of September current affairs also we need to cover. So what we are going to do in the priority list, you need to keep June, July and August, these 3 months on your top preference. These 3 months are going to be your top preference. So first of all, each and every important news from the month of June, July, August, you need to cover and revise multiple times. I will tell you one thing. If you will cover the current affairs from March and July one time, instead of that, do the current affairs of 3 months and revise them at least for 4 times. Always this is the best strategy. मैं repeat कर देता हूं, 5-6 महीने का करंट अफेयर्स पढ़ने से हमेशा अच्छा होता है कि आप 3 महीने का पढ़ो, उसको 4 बार रिवाइज करके जाओ, और या 5-6 महीने का करंट अफेयर्स आप एक बार पढ़ के जाओ. एक बार पढ़ के आप जाओगे, एग्जाम में नहीं बन पाएगा. Instead of that, you will cover 3 months current affairs in detail. They are most important and you will revise it for 4 times. Your marks will be more than, from 3 months only, your marks will be more than 17 to 18 in your examination. These 3 months. Which 3 months? June, July and August. So keep focus on these 3 months first of all. After that, move to the month of May. Once you complete them, revise them at least for 4 times. After that, you can move to May month. If you have already completed May month with the support of daily current affairs paid classes, then you just need to do the revision 2 to 3 times. And after that, your May month will be done. So target your monthly current affairs and try to cover them topic wise. Topic wise means RBI circular, RBI news June, RBI circular, RBI news July, government scheme June month, government scheme July. So target them topic wise. That is the best possible case before the examination to apply and revise for the examination. Reason, there are important topics also from where you will be able to see the weightage in your examination is always high. Never ever run behind this 40 marks. If you are running behind 40, your score will be less than 10. But the day you will start targeting, no, I want to attempt only 28. My attempt should be 28. and anyhow I need to score around 24 to 25 in my examination, your score will be around here. And this year you are going to get the sectional timing also, 15-minute time. It means within 15-minute time you need to answer 40 questions. So you cannot give the time to each and every question in detail. So the moment you realize that this question is completely new for me, just skip it and move to the next question. Do not waste more than 3 seconds on a particular question in general awareness. The reason being, it is going to kill your time, and that time you can utilize on the next question. So your strategy on the general awareness should be completely clear. So I hope this is clear that how many months and what are the important months current affairs you need to cover. Now I'm moving to the important topics. So in general awareness, basically we have 3 subjects, that is current affairs, banking awareness and static GK. There is nothing called static GK. Static GK questions always come from current affairs. So whatever the awards are there in the news, regarding the awards, you can get the question based on the static part. Or any type of national park is in news, bird sanctuary is in news. So based on that you can get the question, like Gandhi Sagar National Park located in which state? It can be a question. Gandhi Sagar Sanctuary is located in which state? Rajiv Gandhi Sanctuary is located in which state? Such type of question you can expect in the examination, because these Gandhi Sagar Park or this Rajiv Gandhi Park, they were in the current affairs. Kuno National Park located in which state? Such type of question, because that was there in the current affairs. So always a static GK question is from the current affairs. You need to keep focus on current. Your static will be covered easily. From the banking awareness part, there are mostly 5 to 6 very important topics from where you can expect the question in your examination. One of the important topic is bond market. So you need to cover bond market, capital market, and the simple topic like types of account, types of ATM, and the detail regarding RRB, regional rural banks in India. RRB and Nabard, static question regarding RRB and Nabard, they will be important. Okay, they will be important. Mostly the question in your examination is from current affairs. 80% weightage taken by the current affairs. Means out of 40 questions, if you are able to get 41, 42 questions directly from current affairs, so answer is yes. Within that, most important topic is government scheme. Now government scheme you can categorize into 2 parts. One, the static one, which is always there in the examination, like Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, when it was launched by whom, from which place, what is the current update regarding this. Then Suraksha Bima Yojana, Atal Pension Yojana, Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, Sukanya Samriddhi Account, Kisan Vikas Patra, National Saving Certificate. After that, Senior Citizen Saving Scheme, Mahila Samman Saving Certificate, PM Kisan Scheme, recently which number of installment released by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Fasal Bima Yojana, Kisan Credit Card, Payment Infrastructure Development Fund, Mudra Scheme. Mudra is important. Recently in the budget, the Mudra amount have been increased to 20 lakh rupee. Mudra loan amount under Tarun category increased to 20 lakh instead of 10 lakh. Update hai, question banega exam mein. So these are the static schemes. Apart from that, the schemes which are in current. From the last 6 months, the important schemes like PM Shaurya Ghar hai, PM Swanidhi, Mudra Scheme, FAME 2.0, PM Janman. Recently related to the electric vehicle, one more scheme have been launched by Government of India. Production link incentive, Spurs scheme which is related to the defense sector, Swadesh Darshan, Prasad scheme, Vishwakarma scheme, after that Pragati Vigyan scheme, Great scheme which is related to the textile sector. So all these schemes are important from the current affairs. ये बिल्कुल मैंने आपको exact list दे दिया. So first topic which you need to target, that will be which one? Government schemes. This has to be your topic number 1. Second one, go through with RBI circular, RBI news from, if you are unable to do from January onwards, at least you need to cover from which month? April to August. Move into the opposite direction. First of all, complete August month, then July, then June. These 3 months you need to complete, revise 4 times. Once your revision done, after that you can move to May, and after that April. So these 5 months RBI circular, RBI news going to be important, especially whenever you are able to see a circular related to cooperative bank, small finance bank, payment bank, or priority sector lending. That is more important for the RRB PO examination. Why? PSL is the important topic for RRB. Cooperative banks are working parallelly with the regional rural bank for the financial inclusion purpose. So these are the mostly important topics for the RRB examination. So always, if you will go through with the 5-year question paper, you will be easily able to get an idea, okay, these are the important topics. But I'm telling you the outcome of that 5-year question paper, that cooperative bank, small finance bank, after that priority sector lending, they are very, very important topic. So whenever you see any current news regarding these type of topics, you definitely get the question. So in the RBI circular, there was a circular of Reserve Bank of India regarding PSL recently. One circular issued by Reserve Bank of India regarding the conversion of urban cooperative bank into that conversion of your small finance bank into universal bank. That circular was very important. So such type of circular always have higher probability to come into the RRB PO and RRB clerk examination. Okay? Inflation data last 6 months, GST data last 6 months. It will not take more than 5-minute time to cover this type of content. 5-minute time, GST data last 6 months. Learned it. Expectation 1 question in your examination. Monetary policy update August 2024. On 8th of August, you are going to have a new monetary policy, and on the same day you need to cover it in detail. So there will not be any challenge like what I should cover from the monetary policy. Each and every information you need to cover from the monetary policy. Definitely minimum 2 marks you are able to get from the monetary policy. 2 marks का आपके लिए generate कर देगा. Budget 2024 static budget. This year it is going to be a game changer for your examination. 3 to 4 questions you can expect from the budget topic. After that, news regarding RRB, MSME lending, self-help group, joint liability group, cooperative bank, small finance bank. Portal launched by Government of India, launched by Agriculture Ministry, which are related to the rural or agriculture related initiative by the Government of India. तो ये सारे आपके important topic हैं. यहाँ भी मैंने लिख रखा है. Payment bank related news, small finance bank related news, cooperative bank related news, and about RRB. These are going to be the important point. So once you are able to complete RBI news, RBI circular, government scheme, news regarding cooperative bank, news regarding small finance bank, after that you can move to the another topic like appointment, summit, Maharatna, Navratna, Mini Ratna. Exactly same to same important topics I have printed here, that those are actually very important for your RRB PO examination. So get the list from here, and in the same sequence, they are in the preference. In the same sequence, you need to go through with that. Summit is a very, very important topic. Very, very important topic. So go through with the summit topic in detail. I hope the statements are clear, right? So I have told you that how to attempt your question paper, because there will be sectional timing. 15-minute timing will be there for the general awareness. Important topics I have told you, important months I have told you. I hope this video is going to help you a lot in your RRB PO preparation. For any other confusion, write in the comment box. In the next video, I'll resolve your confusion. Do not miss to use the coupon code Aditya if you're going for the Oliveboard courses. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind. Take care.